I'm in the unmanned flight safety and operation class, where we get to fly drones.
And Officer Taylor came to show us his drone and fly it for us and answer questions about what you would use drones with in law enforcement.
We use search and rescue missions, so if we're looking for somebody like maybe Alzheimer's that has walked off from their house, or a lost child that doesn't know how to find their way back home that we know is missing, we're able to put the drone up in the air and we're able to look for them. We also use it for to apprehend suspects, so if we have somebody that runs from us or somebody that we're looking for that committed a crime, we can put the drone up just like we would a helicopter and be able to see that. It identifies inside that square what pixels are the coldest, what pixels are the hottest, and we've got it set for a particular range.
Well, I never really thought about having a career based around drones, but I mean, after taking the class, I see that drones can be used for a lot more than just flying for fun and photography.
For them to be able to learn about it and see it now and experience it gives them an idea maybe of what career path they want to do later on.